Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I will show you how to get an extra 20% discount on Hostinger hosting plans. Okay, so this is the official Hostinger website, and you can see they have many different services like web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, domains, and also AI tools like OpenClaw and agents. Okay, so now let me show you how you can get the maximum discount on any plan. So first of all, many people search on Google or YouTube for random coupon codes for Hostinger, but most of those coupon codes only give around 7% to 10% discount maximum, and sometimes they do not even work. Okay, so instead of wasting time trying random promo codes, you can just use my special link in the video description, and the extra 20% discount will be automatically applied at checkout. Okay, so now let me show you. For example, if you want to purchase web hosting, you can click here on web hosting, and now you will see different plans like premium, business, and cloud startup. Okay, and if you want VPS hosting, you can also click here on VPS hosting and choose any VPS plan depending on your needs. They also have managed WordPress hosting, e-commerce hosting, and even OpenClaw one-click AI hosting. Okay, so for example, let us say you want to purchase premium web hosting. You can click Choose Plan and now select your hosting period. For example, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Okay, and after that, you just continue to checkout. And now you will see the amazing thing. The extra 20% discount is already applied automatically because you opened Hostinger using the link in the description. Okay, no need to type any coupon code manually. For example, if the hosting plan normally costs around $100 after the automatic 20% discount, you will save a good amount instantly. And this works on almost every Hostinger service, including VPS hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, domains, and more. Okay, and also, Hostinger includes many useful features like free SSL, free domain on many plans, fast loading speed, AI website builder, professional email, and 24/7 support. So it is a very good option if you want to start a website, blog, online business, or even AI projects. Okay, so after the discount is applied, you just need to enter your email, payment details, and complete your order, and that is it. Your hosting account will be ready in just a few minutes. I will put the special discount link in the video description, so you can click there directly and get the extra 20% discount automatically at checkout. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.